Hi everyone, it's Miss K. I'm going to demonstrate how to access the support materials for the response paper assignment on D2L. Let's go into the content area. To prepare for the assignment, make sure that you take a look in the syllabus at the explanation for the response paper assignment. In preparation for your response paper, you should view the items in the module in chronological order, starting with the learning guide. Complete your assigned reading. View the video and PDF versions of the lecture. At the end of each lecture, the response questions are addressed. We're going to use the example for week 2's assignment, Sunset Boulevard. Take the time to read the slide, understand that you're answering one of the two questions, and we'll dive into where to access these materials on D2L. For best practices, each week that we have a response paper assignment, the module will be set up in the exact same way. And you see the tab here where it says support materials. So in each week, this is where the response paper support materials will live. Let's go into week 2. We'll take a look at what these support materials contain. This PDF should be viewed. It goes over the assignment in detail. Here I used question 1 for Sunset Boulevard as an example. Next is the tips and expectations sheet. This 10-item checklist is really important. It's what I'm looking at when I'm grading your paper, looking at the form and the content to make sure it's set up properly. A sample response paper from a film that we're not presently watching that meets the expectations of the assignment in form and content. All of the response questions for the entire semester are here. And finally, a writing guide that goes over what a thesis statement is, how to create one, and then addresses how to set up a conclusion. This video version of the lecture is the same information that's contained in the Writing About Film Critically PDF, just in a video format. I do suggest weekly that before you sit down to write your paper, that you go into the corresponding module and view the support materials. You'll see in week 3, in addition to the resources that were provided in week 2, there's an instructional video that goes over the assigned film. Same thing for week 4. Let's return to the home page. One more thing before I go, let's go into that assignments tab at the top of the page. And you'll find here that when you open the assignment folder for the response paper, it says review the support materials for the response paper in the weekly module before submitting your paper. If you've somehow failed to do this, just click here on the quick link and it's going to reroute you back to the corresponding support materials tab in the weekly module. The writing critically about film video is also attached here. I hope that this information is helpful and thanks for watching. Remember, I host short instructional videos about the class and D2L in the announcements area. You can find it in the weekly announcement at the bottom of the page. And it also has its own dedicated announcement, D2L forum, commonly asked questions. And so right here is where you can access this video about how to access the support materials for your response paper assignment on D2L. I hope that this information was helpful, and I thank you for watching.